I'm using ChatGPT as well to get a better prompt. So you can see this AI for AI works very well. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use AI for AI. For example, in this video, I am going to use ChatGPT 5 version to get prompts for Runway and create videos. So make sure to use AI for AI properly so that you can get the best result and better prompt. So let's go to my PC and see how you can use AI for AI. So first of all, I am opening ChatGPT, and this is ChatGPT 5 model, so latest version of ChatGPT. So let me enter a prompt here. So first of all, I have just entered a simple thing like I want a prompt for Runway AI to create a video. So herein I simply entered I want a prompt for Runway AI to create a video. So let's enter this first and let the AI understand what I want. Then I will give some examples. Then I will share my storyboard idea here. I will enter this and see what it gives me. So I have entered some storyboard ideas here, and after that you can ask for give me prompt now. It is understanding and giving me prompt. So it is understanding and giving me prompt because it is the latest version. So you can say here is you can turn your storyboard in Runway. So this is the Runway prompt it is given me. It is asking me to separate. No, I don't want to separate it because it is given me good. So now I will go to Runway. Herein you can simply sign into runwayml.com and you can log in. So this is, as of now, this is my free account. Give idea to it, just copy this exact thing till here. Simply write I want to create this video and simply copy paste whatever you got from ChatGPT 5 and it will create it for you. Describe your idea here. So you can see it is asking for the fantastic concept, breaking into two-part generation, excellent idea. Like proceed, do it for me. So it is asking for a image, so let me enter any dummy image. The watercolor animation image. I can help you with 2D watercolor, however I need an image to use an input animation. Please upload the image. So let me enter any image. You can download any clothing image. So let me add my image now. Here click on this plus button and you can simply choose your image and you can select your image. Simply type here is my image and send the image. So you can see it is creating and generating a video for me. So the video aspect ratio is this 9:16. So actually what I am doing, I am using AI for AI here. I am using ChatGPT as well to get a better prompt because ChatGPT 5 is the latest version. So you can use both the AI and AI for AI is the latest thing which you can use. So herein you can see it has created a beautiful video for me. So you can see this AI for AI works very well and you can use it. You should use it, I think, this time because AI for AI is the new trend and everybody is using it. I hope friends now you will be able to use AI for AI, and in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.